In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Epic Games Launcher in Windows 11 quickly and the proper way, so you can remove it from your PC without confusion. Whether you no longer use it, want to free up space, or just need a clean uninstall, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Let's get into it. First, before you uninstall anything, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. If it's running in the background, the uninstall may not work properly. So check your taskbar, close the app if it's open, and if needed, right-click the Epic Games icon and fully exit it. Once that's done, the next step is to open the control panel. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing Control Panel, then opening it from the results. Inside Control Panel, look for Programs, and then click Uninstall a Program. This will open the list of installed applications on your Windows 11 device. Now scroll through the list until you find Epic Games Launcher. In some cases, you may also see Epic Games Online listed, so keep an eye out for both names. Once you find the correct entry, right-click on it and choose Uninstall. Windows will now begin the removal process. Depending on your system, this may take a little while, so be patient and let it finish completely. Don't close the window or restart too early. Just wait until the uninstall process is fully completed. After it finishes, you may be prompted to confirm the removal, so follow any on-screen instructions if they appear. Once the uninstall is done, the final step is to restart your device. Restarting helps Windows clear out any leftover background processes and make sure the application is fully removed from your system. After the restart, Epic Games Launcher should be uninstalled from Windows 11. And that's it. You've successfully removed Epic Games Launcher from your PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful Windows tips, and I'll see you in the next one.